Hi everyone, George Vetikaden here. Today, I want to share with you one of my personal agentic aha moments that I experienced while working on Vitality AI over the past year during my sabbatical. First, let me define what I mean by an agentic aha moment. It's that moment when the true power and potential of AI agents becomes crystal clear. When an agent's response isn't just accurate, but profoundly insightful, making you realize the true potential of AI. This goes far beyond the capabilities we see in tools like ChatGPT today. What makes these moments special is when you gain a deep visibility into an agent's thought process, witnessing it adapt and refine its approach as new data or feedback is introduced. This adaptability and dynamic reasoning, seeing the agent evolve in real time, is what truly defines an agentic aha moment. Now, I would like to share one of my personal aha moments while building and testing Vitality AI, a multi-agent health application. Let's dive in. Okay, so what you see here is OpenGPT, where you can create new chats with the agent of your choice. On the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of health queries that I've run already. Queries around multi-factor diabetes, cardiovascular health, liver function analysis. In the middle section here, you see saved agents, and we have 3 Vitality AI agents, each representing a different cognitive architecture. For this video, we will be using the multi-agent medical team, which uses the hierarchical multi-agent architecture. In simple terms, you can think of this architecture as a team of 8 AI healthcare agents where each agent is specialized in a specific health field. And there is one agent that we call Dr. Vitality that's responsible for planning and assigning tasks to each agent. You'll notice that this particular agent is using the OpenAI LLM provider and the latest GPT-4o model. Okay? Now let's take a look at the query that we're going to execute. It's a medication interaction query where we want to see specifically if ibuprofen has any adverse effects with some of the medications that I currently take. Let's run it. Now, while the query is being processed, you'll see the intermediate results streaming in real time. Dr. Vitality is creating a specific tailored plan specifically for me, creating tasks and assigning specialists. Now let's speed things up and jump to the final analysis report so you can see the full picture. Vitality has now completed the analysis. So let's take a closer look at the query analysis report from Vitality AI. In the report, we see 2 specialists were consulted, the pharmacist and the lab technician. The executive summary highlights several potential interactions between ibuprofen and my current medications. First, ibuprofen can increase the risk of kidney damage when taken with the statin or metformin that I'm using. Second, it can reduce the effectiveness of a beta blocker I'm using for blood pressure. And additionally, combining ibuprofen with the Clonic, an anti-inflammatory I use for rheumatoid arthritis, could significantly raise the risk of some gastrointestinal bleeding. These are indeed valuable insights. But what's truly impressive is how Vitality AI didn't just stop at answering my initial question. It went beyond that, connecting the dots and uncovering additional risks that I hadn't even considered, like potential kidney stress. The deeper analysis wasn't by chance. It was the result of a teamwork between the pharmacist and the lab technician, who identified these drug interactions, and the lab technician who flagged the elevated creatine and BUN levels, which pointed to the potential kidney stress. This kind of collaboration and advanced reasoning really stood out as an aha moment for me. But the story doesn't end here. Let's dive into the reflection report to see how the agents adapted in real time to deliver such a comprehensive analysis. Let's scroll down to the reflection report section within the analysis. Every time the Vitality medical team answers a health query, a reflection report gets generated. Think of it as a comprehensive audit capturing every action, decision, and communication within the team. The report provides a window into the agent's mind, showing us its reasoning, adaptability, and dynamic decision-making. It's through this detailed audit that we can fully appreciate how the agents collaborated and adjusted in real time to deliver the in-depth analysis we saw earlier with the ibuprofen query. The reflection report is organized into 3 sections. The first section is what we call strategic planning and strategy. And it outlines the original plan made by Dr. Vitality, the tasks associated with that plan, and any adaptations as the agent responds to new information. The second section is what we call the key reasoning section, or a higher order decisioning. It highlights the advanced reasoning by each agent, showing the depth and sophistication of their analysis. And finally, the multi-agent communication includes a transcript of a real-time collaboration, illustrating how agents communicated and adapted to achieve the best outcome. Now let's focus on the plan and evolution and adjustments section. Here we can see how the original plan was updated. For example, when the pharmacist identified a risk with ibuprofen and the statin, the nurse practitioner quickly updated the plan to include the monitoring task for the lab technician. This real-time adaptability showcases Vitality's AI's advanced reasoning. The system doesn't just follow a static protocol, it evolves based on new insights. Now let's scroll to the multi-agent communication section to see the plan adaptation play out in real time. Here you can see Dr. Vitality's original plan involved only the pharmacist. But once the pharmacist flagged a potential kidney risk, the nurse practitioner updated the plan, adding tasks for the lab technician, who then performed additional tests that identified fluctuations in the kidney markers. This adaptive collaboration is a perfect example of how the agents work together to not only answer the query, but to deliver a deeper and more comprehensive analysis. So that was a quick look at one of my personal aha moments with Vitality AI. It's moments like these, the system's ability to think, adapt, and collaborate in real time, that truly revealed the potential of AI agents, not just as mere toys or simple productivity tools, but as powerful, transformative solutions. When you start to experience a series of these moments, you begin to shift into what I call the agentic mindset. This is a paradigm where you start to see endless possibilities of how AI can help tackle challenges across all areas of life. It's that instinctive reaction when faced with a problem where you say to yourself, I can build an agent to handle this, or I can create an agent to automate that, or I can develop an agent to assist me with this. And the most exciting part? Making this accessible to everyone, not just a select few with specialized skills. Stay tuned for more videos in the Agentic Mindset blog series, where I'll continue sharing insights from my journey with Vitality AI and the Agentic Mindset.